Yeah, it's so beautiful when you are on the mountain on top, and then you can see like ice like this one. See? Yeah. See? Yeah, I'm so excited. You can see the view. Yeah, from here. Have the very beautiful view. Like you can see. See? Yeah. So beautiful view. It's like here. Show you something here. See on top there. The place people normally they skate on the top, like you see there. Yeah, and also we have there another place you can see. Yeah, like you can see there. Also the escape. Yeah. So if you come like up, yeah, also you can see the view. Yeah, this place is called Nevada, Sierra Nevada. Yeah, in Spain, Madrid. Yeah, but now we come up almost April, and I think the weather now is gonna be so hot when it's coming verano or summer. Verano is Spanish. When it's coming summer, it's gonna be very hot because you can see the last year we coming here April, but it was still cold, and this place, all this place was snow here, all was snow, nieves. But oil just like today. Sometimes, sorry guys, sometimes I mix Spanish and English because I'm still learning Spanish. But yeah, you can see like it's just little part of snow now. It's only half here now. It's almost finished, but I'm happy still. I see the snow. It's 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 not something like white or sugar or salt. No, this is snow. If you want something cold, just put inside like a few minutes. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. It's like you can see another view there. Yeah, there. A very good view. Let me go up a little bit, and I can show you guys how the way this place is all. It's so awesome. Yeah. Sometimes we say just you can see my family there. They just play. My kid now, he coming now. He can walk. The last time when you come here, you have only 80 months, 80 months. So he was don't enjoy like now. Enjoy now. Yeah. It's like you can see at a very good view. I go up on top. Yeah. You can see the place, the view. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. If you have some time and you are inside Madrid, it's so easy. You can come here. It's not very far away. Yeah, if you are not inside Madrid, also you can visit. Just do like Spanish way, the way they say viajo. Yeah, have some viajo. You enjoy the view. Yeah, it's like you can see the world is so beautiful. Just you need to travel. Yeah, when you travel, you see how the world is beautiful. yeah, like now I come a little bit up, and you can see well the place people they can skate from up to come down. So they have 3 way. This way is a little bit not difficult, but this 2 way is so difficult because it's direct. So you need to know how to skate well, otherwise it's dangerous. Yeah, there you can see another mountain. It's a good place to come to visit, enjoy. If you like to walk or to go on top of the mountain, it's a very good place. You can come even time is summer also. You just pass the day around the evening or morning, just do some exercise. Okay, thank you guys. So it's only what I want to say. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Yeah, because I wanted to be here to give you fun, to give you how wherever I travel, and we can share together the beautiful things in the world. Yeah, that is it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.